Hello kids, how are you? Today we will talk about likes and dislikes. So, are you ready? Okay, let's start. Now listen to me. I like meat. I like meat. Now repeat after me. I like meat. I like meat. Now listen to me. I like chicken. I like chicken. Now repeat after me. I like chicken. I like chicken. Now listen to me. I like salad. I like salad. Now repeat after me. I like salad. I like salad. Now listen to me. I like milk. I like milk. Now repeat after me. I like milk. I like milk. Now listen to me. I like rice. I like rice. Now repeat after me. I like rice. I like rice. Now listen to me. I like soup. I like soup. Now repeat after me. I like soup. I like soup. Now listen to me. I like peas. I like peas. Now repeat after me. I like peas. I like peas. Now listen to me. I like spaghetti. I like spaghetti. Now repeat after me. I like spaghetti. I like spaghetti. Now, kids, we will talk about things or food that we don't like. Okay? I don't like tea. I don't like tea. Now repeat after me. I don't like tea. I don't like tea. Now listen to me. I don't like fish. I don't like fish. Now repeat after me. I don't like fish. I don't like fish. Now listen to me. I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. Now repeat after me. I don't like coffee. I don't like coffee. Now listen to me. I don't like aubergines. I don't like aubergines. Now repeat after me. I don't like aubergines. I don't like aubergines. Now we are finished. Let's have an exercise. I like. I like. I don't like. I don't like. I like. I like. I don't like. Good. Now we are finished. See you.